Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Klaviyo email templates and themes, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start backing up your Klaviyo email templates and themes, log into your Klaviyo account. Once logged in, navigate to the email templates section on your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing email templates. Select the template you want to backup by clicking on its name. This will open the template editor for that specific email. In the template editor, click on the Actions button located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Export Template. A pop-up window will appear confirming your action. Click Export to download the template as a .json file to your computer. Repeat these steps for each email template you wish to backup. Next, move on to backing up your themes. Navigate to the Brands section from your dashboard. Click on Themes to view all your available themes. Select the theme you wish to back up. Click on the Actions button for that theme. From the menu, choose Export Theme. Confirm your action in the pop-up window. Click Export to download the theme as a .json file. Store all the downloaded files in a secure location on your computer. This will ensure that your email templates and themes are safely backed up for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.